Mga idol, update lang tayo sa team standing. Magnolia number 1, 9-2. San Miguel, 8-3. Barangay, 8-3. Phoenix, 8-3. Meralco, 8-3. Northport, 6-5. Rain or Shine, 6-5. And TNT, Tropa, 5-6. So, eto yung mga playoff games. Magnolia versus TNT. Phoenix versus Meralco. Ginebra versus Northport, San Miguel versus Rain or Shine. Twice to beat ang mga nauna. Ito naman yung games, Phoenix versus Meralco Balls and Magnolia versus TNT Tropang Giga on January 17 sa PhilSport Arena. January 19, Rain or Shine versus SMB. Northport versus Ginebra on January 19.